In this video, we will show you how to install corner stabilisers on your polytunnel. Corner stabilisers help strengthen your polytunnel by spreading the load from the wind. Here are the parts you'll need. There are 8 corner stabilisers, 2 for each corner. The corner stabilisers are positioned between the end hoop, the first intermediate hoop, and the second intermediate hoop. Each corner stabiliser is made from 2 pieces. One piece is 1.78 meters long, flat at one end and plain at the opposite end. The second piece is 45 centimeters long, flat at one end and swaged on the opposite end. Fit a Q-clip 18 centimeters up from the hoop and foundations joint on the second intermediate hoop. Use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate the flat end of the longer piece to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring the threaded part is on the inside of the polytunnel. The bottom of the Q-clip should be on the 18 centimeter mark. Screw on a nut and firmly tighten. Slide the swaged end of the shorter piece into the plain end of the longer piece. Position a Q-clip on the first intermediate hoop and locate the flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place with a nut. Secure the 2 pieces of the corner stabiliser together with a self-drilling screw. Place a spirit level on the first intermediate hoop and adjust the Q-clip up or down until the hoop is vertically aligned and firmly tighten the Q-clip. Measure 10 centimeters down from the bottom of the Q-clip fitted on the first intermediate hoop and make a mark. Fit a Q-clip to the hoop. The top of the Q-clip should be on this mark. Locate the flat end of the longer piece to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole, ensuring that the threaded part is on the inside of the polytunnel. Screw on a nut and firmly tighten. Slide the swaged end of the shorter piece into the plain end of the longer piece. Position a Q-clip on the end hoop and locate the flat end to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place with a nut. Secure the 2 pieces of corner stabiliser together with a self-drilling screw. Place a spirit level on the end hoop and adjust the Q-clip up or down until the hoop is vertically aligned and firmly tighten the Q-clip. Repeat this process to fit the corner stabilisers on the 3 remaining corners of your polytunnel. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.